How to get monetized on YouTube step-by-step guide. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Zach here, and today we're going big on something you guys have been asking about for a long time: how to get your YouTube channel monetized. That's right, we're talking about turning your passion into profit, your hobby into a hustle, your love for making videos into cold, hard cash. Follow these steps to start earning from your content. It's not going to be easy, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. You ready to dive in? Let's do this. Chapter 1. Create your channel. First things first, you've got to have a channel. I know, sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people trip up right here. So, if you haven't already, hit that sign-in button, head over to your profile and click Create a Channel. Give it a name that screams you, write a killer description that lets the world know what you're all about, and boom, you're officially in the game. Chapter 2. Meet the requirements. Now, before you start counting your millions and planning your dream vacations, YouTube's got a few rules you got to follow. These guidelines are essential to ensure that the platform remains a safe and enjoyable place for everyone. Don't worry, it's nothing crazy. Just a few steps to make sure you're on the right track. First up, you need at least 1,000 subscribers. This might seem like a daunting number, but with consistent effort and engaging content, it's definitely achievable. That's right, 1,000 awesome people who dig your content enough to hit that subscribe button. Think of it as building your own community of fans who love what you do. Next, you need 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. This means people need to watch your videos for a combined total of 4,000 hours. That's a whole lot of views, but hey, we're going for gold here. It might seem like a big number, but with engaging content and a bit of promotion, you'll get there. You also got to play by YouTube's rules, which basically means keeping your content family-friendly and legal. This ensures that your videos are suitable for all audiences and don't violate any laws. And last but not least, make sure you've got two-step verification enabled on your Google account. This is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized access. It's an extra layer of security that'll keep those internet gremlins away from your hard-earned cash. By enabling two-step verification, you're adding an additional barrier that makes it much harder for anyone to hack into your account. So, to recap, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time to follow YouTube's guidelines, and to secure your account with two-step verification. It might seem like a lot, but with dedication and creativity, you can meet these requirements and start your journey to YouTube success. Keep pushing forward, and soon enough you'll be celebrating your milestones and reaping the rewards of your hard work. Chapter 3. Optimize like a boss. Okay, so you've got your channel, you're meeting the requirements, now it's time to make it shine. This is where the magic happens, where you transform your channel from just another page on YouTube to a must-visit destination for viewers. First up, content is king. Without great content, even the best optimization strategies won't save you. You need to create videos that are not only informative, but also entertaining. Think about what makes you click on a video and try to incorporate those elements into your own content. You've got to give people a reason to watch your stuff, so make it good, make it engaging, make it something you're passionate about. Passion is contagious. If you're excited about your content, your audience will be too. Dive deep into topics you love, and don't be afraid to show your personality. Next, let's talk channel layout. Your channel's design is like the storefront of a shop. If it looks messy or uninviting, people will walk right past it. Spend some time making your channel visually appealing. Make it visually appealing, add a killer channel trailer that hooks viewers from the get-go, and create playlists to organize your videos. A well-crafted trailer can give new visitors a quick taste of what your channel is all about, and playlists help keep your content organized and easy to navigate. Trust me, a little organization goes a long way. When viewers can easily find what they're looking for, they're more likely to stick around and watch more of your videos. And don't forget about SEO. This is crucial for getting your videos discovered by a wider audience. That's search engine optimization for all the newbies out there. SEO is all about making your content more visible in search results, which can significantly increase your views and subscribers. Basically, you've got to use the right keywords in your video titles, descriptions and tags so people can actually find your awesome content. Do some research to find out what keywords are trending in your niche and incorporate them naturally into your metadata. And last but not least, create eye-catching thumbnails that'll make people stop scrolling and click on your videos. Thumbnails are often the first thing people see, so make them count. Think bright colors, bold text, and maybe even a little bit of you. A great thumbnail can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or passing it by. Experiment with different designs and see what works best for your audience. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process, so keep tweaking and improving as you go. Chapter 4. Now, here comes the fun part, building your audience. This is the stage where your hard work starts to pay off, and you get to see your community grow. This is where you get to connect with all those amazing people who are going to help you reach your monetization goals. Your audience is the backbone of your channel, and nurturing that relationship is key. First and foremost, be consistent. Upload regularly so your viewers know when to expect new content. Consistency builds trust and anticipation. Think of it like your favorite TV show. You always know when the next episode is coming out. And don't forget to engage. Respond to comments, answer questions, even give shout-outs to your most loyal fans. Engagement shows that you value your audience and their input. It makes them feel like they're part of a community, not just passive viewers. Social media is your best friend when it comes to growing your channel. Use it to create a buzz around your content. Share behind-the-scenes footage, teasers, and even personal stories to make your audience feel more connected to you. Promote your videos on every platform you can think of. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, you name it. Each platform has its own unique audience. And by sharing your content across multiple channels, you increase your chances of reaching new viewers. And don't be afraid to reach out to other YouTubers for collaborations. Collaborations can introduce your channel to a whole new audience. Plus, working with others can spark creativity and bring fresh ideas to your content. It's a great way to tap into new audiences and make some friends along the way. Networking with other creators can also provide valuable insights and support. Remember, building an audience is not just about numbers. It's about creating a community that grows with you. Chapter 5. Join the YouTube Partner Program. All right, you're killing it with the content, you're building a solid audience. It's time to finally monetize that channel. Head over to YouTube Studio, click on the Monetization tab, and get ready to join the YouTube Partner Program, aka the YPP. Read through the terms and conditions carefully because, legal stuff. Then you'll need to either create a new AdSense account or connect an existing one to your YouTube channel. This is where the money's going to go, so make sure it's all set up correctly. Finally, you'll get to choose your monetization preferences, like what types of ads you're comfortable showing on your videos. Chapter 6. Channel Review. Now comes the waiting game. Once you've submitted your application, YouTube's going to review your channel to make sure it meets all their guidelines. This can take a few weeks, so be patient. If everything checks out, you'll get an email notification saying you've been approved, and then the real fun begins. But hey, if for some reason your application gets rejected, don't sweat it. Just take a look at the feedback YouTube provides, make the necessary changes and reapply after 30 days. Chapter 7. Monetize your content. You did it. You're officially in the YouTube Partner Program. Now it's time to start making that sweet, sweet ad revenue. Head back to your monetization settings and choose which types of ads you want to run on your videos. You've got options: skippable ads, non-skippable ads, bumper ads, the whole shebang. Experiment with different formats and see what works best for your audience. And there you have it. You're officially a monetized YouTuber. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to monetizing your YouTube channel. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, It's all worth it when you see that first dollar roll in from your videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and guides.